Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in this video, we're going to talk about the FRAYT Driver App review. Is it worth it for drivers or not? So first of all, FRAYT is not a food delivery app. It's an on-demand delivery platform focused on larger and business-related deliveries. Instead of delivering meals, drivers may deliver auto parts, tools, construction materials, plumbing supplies, building products, or larger cargo items. This makes it much closer to courier or freight delivery work than platforms like DoorDash or Uber Eats. If you want to check the website or apply, you can go to frayt.com/drivers and start the application process. So what does FRAYT do, if you don't know? It basically connects drivers with local delivery jobs called matches inside the app. When a delivery appears, you can review important details such as the pickup location, drop-off location, time requirements, loaded miles, and the expected pay. After looking at the details, you can decide whether to accept or skip the job. This gives drivers more control compared to some delivery platforms, where you may receive constant orders without knowing much information beforehand. So what vehicle can you use? FRAYT supports different vehicle types, including cars, mid-size vehicles, pickup trucks, cargo vans, and box trucks. Of course, the bigger your vehicle, the better your chances of qualifying for larger delivery jobs. For example, a cargo van or box truck may be able to handle deliveries that a small car cannot. And what are the requirements? To apply, FRAYT will ask for documents such as your driver's license, vehicle registration, insurance, vehicle photos, and cargo area photos. FRAYT also charges a non-refundable $40 application fee, and applications are reviewed before approval. This means you should consider the fee before applying, especially if you are only testing the platform. So what are the pros and cons of driving for FRAYT? The pros are basically potentially better paying jobs. Business and cargo deliveries can pay better than smaller food orders because they often involve larger items and commercial customers. Another advantage is that it works with different vehicles. Whether you have a car, pickup truck, van, or larger vehicle, you may have different delivery opportunities depending on your area. It's also flexible work. You can choose the deliveries you want to accept and avoid jobs that do not fit your schedule, vehicle, or preferences. It can also be a good option for truck and van owners who are looking for additional income beyond traditional delivery apps. However, there are some cons. FRAYT is not available everywhere. You can only apply if FRAYT is recruiting in your area, so availability depends heavily on your location. The $40 application fee is also non-refundable, even if you are not approved. Some deliveries may involve heavy or awkward items, meaning you should be comfortable handling larger cargo compared to normal delivery jobs. Also, demand can be consistent or inconsistent, like many gig apps. Available jobs depend heavily on your city, local businesses, and overall delivery demand. So is this worth it for you? I will let you be the decider of that, depending on the pros and cons and what suits you the best. If you own a suitable vehicle, are comfortable with business deliveries, and want flexible work, FRAYT could be a good option to consider. But if you prefer simple deliveries with constant orders, a traditional food delivery app may be a better fit.